Hello friends, today I have brought one trick in front of you. How to solve the multiplication of any number with 5. Any number of multiplication with 5 in very less time. As you all know, there are even numbers and odd numbers. Let's take number 1. If the last digit of that number is even, then the formula by using this formula you can solve any even number, any number having the last digit of even number when multiplied with 5. The number which is given is divided by 2 and then we have to put 0. Let's take some examples. 94. First 94 is divided by 2, it's give 47 and last we have to put 0. Let's take another example. 32 into 5. First 32 is divided by 2, it gives 16 and last we have to put 0. 144 into 5. First 144 is divided by 2, it gives 72 and last we have to put 0. Let's take bigger number 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5. It's first 1, 2, 3, 4 is divided by 2, 6, 1, 7 and last we have to put 0. Let's take some another example. 2, 4, 6, 6 into 5. 2, 4, 6, 6 is first divided by 2. It gives 1, 2, 3, 3 and last we have to put 0. Let's take case 2. If the last digit of that number is odd, then the formula to solve this question, the formula to solve when the last digit of the number is odd is the number is first subtracted by 1 and then divided by 2 and we have to last put at 5. Let's take some examples. 95 into 5. First 95 is minus the 1 and divided by 2. Minus 1 we get 94 and 94 divided by 2 we get 47 and last we have to put 5. Let's take another example. 131 into 5. First 131 is subtracted by 1 and divided by 2. We get 65. When subtracted 1 we get 130 and 130 is divided by 2 we get 65 and last we have to put 5. 45 into 5. 45 minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 4, 22 and last 5. 55 into 5. 55 minus 1 and means 54. 54 divided by 2 is get 27 and last 5. Let's take last example. 91 into 5. It's give 91 minus 1 divided by 2. 91 minus 1, it's 90. 90 divided by 2, 45 and last 5. So friends, I hope you have studied this video properly and thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.